Hey everyone, I'm Sam with Eagle Creek, and today we'll be checking out the Packet Essentials set. When planning for your next trip, this packing set has all your bases covered. It comes with the medium reveal clean dirty cube, the isolate shoe sack, and the small isolate compression cube. I personally love this cube because it has an internal divider which allows you to keep your clean clothes separate from the dirty. The front section is built with mesh, allowing for breathability and making it easy to see all your clean clothes. And the back is built with a durable, water-resistant fabric to keep your dirty and stinky clothes separate. It has a top handle for easy grab and go, and all the main body fabrics are made from 100% recycled post-consumer materials. Next, let's talk about the Isolate shoe sack. It's treated with Protex 2, an antimicrobial agent which fights odor-causing bacteria for long-lasting stink protection. The zippers are super durable and self-repairing, so you never have to worry about overstuffing or split zippers. And it has one main compartment which fits up to a men's size 13. It's built with a durable ripstop fabric that's super lightweight and translucent, allowing you to see what's inside. It's even washable and water resistant, making it the perfect option to pack dirty shoes. And last but not least, the small Isolate compression cube. Just like the shoe sack, it's treated with Protex 2, an antimicrobial agent which fights odor-causing bacteria. The best part of this cube is this compression zipper, which allows you to pack more items in and compress them all down, giving you more overall space in your bag. It's built with a durable ripstop fabric, which is super lightweight and translucent, allowing you to see what's inside. It's even washable and water resistant, making it a great choice to replace single-use plastic bags. Just like the other cubes, the zippers are also durable and self-repairing. The Packet Essentials set is responsibly built and covered by our lifetime warranty, so it outlasts every adventure on your bucket list.